Is this the perfect coffee maker for you? Let's find out. Perfect coffee every time. This pump-free coffee maker heats water to the correct temperature for coffee extraction and keeps the coffee hot in a double-walled, thermal carafe. Easy to use, the Moccamaster brews a full 32 ounces pot of coffee in 4 to 6 minutes using one switch. Manual adjust brew basket allows you to customize your coffee. For over 50 years they have handmade every Moccamaster in the Netherlands and back each Moccamaster with a 5-year warranty.